The city of Port Aransas is looking after their emergency first responders' mental health, specifically that of dispatchers.
3 News reporter Simone Simpson joins us live in our studios with how a mental health leave policy is in effect and the backing from the state making it possible. Simone.
Good morning. There are plenty of movies and TV series showcasing what working as a 911 operator is like. These high-stress jobs are necessary, but city officials I spoke with say not at the cost of sacrificing the operator's mental health.
All it takes is one desperate call.
Port Aransas 911, what's the location of your emergency?
To save a life.
There is a lot of calls that we do take that can stick with us.
Only a select few can answer that call, like 911 operator April Zambrano.
State finally recognizing us as first responders and that it does take a toll, or it could take a toll on our mental health. Having this bill enacted is phenomenal.
Zambrano is referring to House Bill 1486, which establishes a mental health leave policy for first responders, including telecommunicators, such as herself, who experience a traumatic event while on the job.
They kind of take it in and start everything when it's really fresh and raw, and then they pass it off to somebody else to go and complete. And they never, or they don't get to readily see the outcome of those events.
Lieutenant Stokes believes this legislation finally recognizes the value dispatchers carry on the force.
The best thing that sums up a dispatcher is a saying that says, "Tell me your worst and I'll send you my best."
Grateful for the state's lifeline,
For them to recognize that this is important.
they're answering her call for help.
We do care about each and every caller that comes along, and that we do want to ensure that all first responders, whether it's fire, police, or EMS, make it back home safe to their families.
And the policy is already in effect for the city of Port Aransas. I also contacted CCPD to see if they have a policy like this also in place. They said over the last 15 years, their peer support team has been active, making sure both their officers and dispatchers' well-being is cared for. Barbie?
Simone.